Now go to bed! You're the boss. I thought I told you to go to bed. Yeah, right, bread. You said go to bread. I said go to bed. Yeah, go to bread. B-E-D! Bed! Oh, bed! Oh, well, anything you say, sis.
When you're ready, pick up some tools, get done. Thanks. When you're ready, today would be good. Oh, okay. Time to do the other side. Ready? This is how quick I'm getting at it. Bam. Done. And now it is 8:30, so I have to start work. What a time, eh?
8 hours later.
Alright, we've finished work for the day. I'm gonna have a crack at the part around the top. Looks like my foresight was pretty good back when I did the doors, and my cutout I had more than enough, so I've just sort of trimmed off some of the edges. So this will come down on there, wrap around, and I've got heaps to wrap around the door and to the back here as well. I am now 2 weeks into the future after that last clip you saw, so I've done the opposite side as well, and a bit has progressed at the back here, so I've unbolted the tub just to move it back a bit so I can do this bottom section here. Now I was going to try and do it all in one big piece, but it's probably going to be way too difficult, so I'm going to 3-piece it. So I'm going to do one piece here, one piece across there, one piece down the other end, and you can see this piece, I had a bit of trouble trying to get that piece in behind the tub. So in the clip, I was struggling hardcore to get it down that gap. So I have made a cut here, so there'll just be like an overlap. But it is the dodgiest cut I've ever done in my life, but it is what it is. But now that I've unbolted the tub, moved it back a bit, I can actually get my hand in here. So we'll do a piece here, piece across there. Then whilst I've got the tub off as well, I am going to try and sort of cover this section here, because you can see that when the tub's, you can see this little section here when the tub is still up against the cab. So yeah, so today's goal is just to finish off this back section and then move on to the tub. She's getting there. She's looking all black.
next day.
Once the tub's bolted back on, I'm going to tackle the tailgate, which I think I'm going to take off because when you walk past, you can see the white in there kind of thing. And then when you're looking from this side as well, you can sort of see the white in there. So just cover as much as we can. Got to take off this double-sided tape that was here from before. Just a lot of wrapping left to do. So yeah, I want to try and get this done today. See what happens. Try and get this done today. 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 See what happens.